Aren't you wondering about how other people sound like celebrities?
Maybe you have heard them on a call.
Or even in video games, or maybe you have seen a video online.
To tell you a secret, they use voice.ai. The Voice AI voice changer gives you the power to change your voice in real time for a whole bunch of games, including Among Us, World of Warcraft, Minecraft, CSGO, League of Legends, including messaging apps like Discord, Skype, Google Meet, Zoom, WhatsApp, and many more. So, you want to know how to use it? Well, this tutorial will teach you how to do just that. Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to change your voice to any celebrity. So, to start, what you are going to do is to head on to your browser. In here, you are going to be searching for voice.ai. As you can see in your screen, this is the main menu of the website. What we are going to be doing is to download this application. To download this application, just scroll down to the very bottom until you see these 4 icons. To install, just select what device you are using. May it be on iOS, Android, Windows, or Mac. But since I am using Windows, I will now proceed to install the Windows version of the app. So, what you are going to do is to install the one that is compatible with your device and proceed by setting it up. Once you are done setting up and installing, you will now be presented with the application's main interface. So in here, you will see the 3 of the main things that we will use. So, the first button on the left is the indicator for your recording device. May it be microphone or USB mic or anything that works as a microphone. Next will be the most important one. In here, if you press this button, you will see a new menu popping up with all of the available celebrity voices that you can select from. But do note that not all of the voices are available because they are behind a paywall, meaning you have to pay first to access the entirety of the application. But do not worry because you can still use this application for free. So now, what we are going to do is to select a voice of choice. Head back to the menu and press click to record. To start a recording, so in here, I will try to record now. Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your voice to any celebrity using an AI application. Once you have your recording, you can now play it and hear the voice of the celebrity that you have chosen. However, that is only for the record mode. So, if you can see this switch button above, in here is where you can switch the record mode into live mode. Live mode is basically like converting your voice into a voice changer live. While you are speaking, the AI app will convert your voice into your celebrity voice that you have chosen in real time. But keep in mind that this will cause a lot of lag sometimes. As you can see, there is a slider. In exchange of lesser lag, it will lower the voice changer's quality. You should also keep in mind that there is a certain limitation with the free version. You see, you can only record up to 15 seconds of recording. So, if you want to upgrade, you can just pay for the Pro version. You can also unlock more voices for free. What you are going to need is more credits. So, if you want to upgrade, you can just pay for the Pro version. You can also unlock more voices. What you are going to need is more credits. So, you can buy more voices for you to select. there is a free way as well. If you invite your friends, you will earn 5,000 credits for you to spend. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it! You can now change your voice to any celebrity. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!